Warning, this video is not for kids. It is for teens and adults and other mature audiences. If you are a child, please get parental discretion before watching.
Welcome to another Thomas Talk.
Thank you for 2 tons of subscribers, also known as 4,000.
And today, we are going to be showing Gordon, Diesel, Kenji, and Nia in a team-style battle. And the one thing that I wanted to mention is I find it pretty cool that these two have a 2021 release date, and these two have a 2022 release date. Nerd. Alright, so let's get started.
Alright, for our first challenge, we're going to be opening our engines as fast as possible. I have Gordon Ramsay here, and so everyone else will be over there. They will be timing it, and yeah, so here is my teammate, my partner. I hate saying that. I'm not gay. We're not gay. But he is my partner, and he is wearing a pride shirt. So, get over there. Whoever opens it the fastest wins. Alright. Go. Stop.
He's got it open.
Golly!
How quick? 4.63
I
seconds.
going. I was like, oh shoot, I need to go.
Alright, so there's the first one.
Alright. Go.
Stop.
Alright, so now it is my turn. I will be opening Diesel, but before that, I gotta introduce my partner, Cannon. You can go over there now.
Get out of here.
Alright, so, Cameron, you got stopwatch ready?
Yes, indeedy.
Go! Done!
I don't know.
Point is, I got 0.63.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah!
Go.
Ladies and gentlemen, a whopping 10.4 seconds. I think he wins at basketball.
You open it from the bottom.
Cannons.
And it
I
looks
wouldn't
like,
have beat
unfortunately, Grant's team wins the battle. Next up, we will be doing the drop test, a classic in the destruction type videos. So I will be going first. And Grant's gonna water bottle it.
You missed,
Alright.
idiot.
Success!
That's a lot of damage. Any day now.
He's gotta get high.
Oh, my bad. My bad, Snoop Dogg. Get higher and higher.
Mm-hmm.
Lord have mercy.
Alright. Diesel might pull us through.
Then I'm supposed to hit you.
I'm hoping! Throw it!
Oh, wait, hold up.
No, you're supposed to...
I don't wanna
shorter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, let's... Ba-bam!
And it looks like my team wins! All because of me.
False!
Alright, so our next one
Not
is
him.
touchdown. Yeah, the Super Bowl was this week. Alright, so
last
what
week.
we're going to do is one team is going to be throwing it like this. Throw the engine. The others are going to be over there. If they catch it, it's over. But if they don't catch it and you get it past them, or if they don't catch it, you can keep throwing and throwing.
Alright, let's go.
You go first.
Alright, these 2 squares. You have to get it past the square.
Okay.
If it lands in the square, no rethrow.
Okay.
Oh, dang. Okay. Oh, yeah. Now that's a lot of damage. Second throw. 3, 2, 1, go!
It's my arm.
Okay, when we get to that line, we throw it, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
Try.
Oh, crap.
Reach out.
That was close.
I blew out my arm the first
All right.
throw. Third throw. I'm out, guys. All right, Cameron. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
Let's go! How hard did I break it? How hard did I break
The
it?
whole thing. In half.
Super Bowl, baby!
And he gets another throw.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wait. That's gone.
Still did damage. All right, so I broke off a wheel somewhere, right here. And I scratched up the face, but other than that, it really didn't do much damage. Disappointing.
So, I killed her. She's just split in half.
All right. Me and Cannon's throw with Diesel and Kenji.
Get it.
Fine.
Hey, get it.
It's also fine.
No. We didn't make it past the line. So, Grant's team,
bald eagle.
unfortunately.
Oh, dang.
This next competition, we are going to be using hammers and smashing the engines, except with force. And
How
they
many strikes?
each 3 strikes. Whenever you're ready.
I'm going
Cook now,
first.
let him cook. Don't disappoint me, Grant, like the last 2 rounds.
1, 2.
Ready?
That's 2, Grant.
Oh!
1, nothing.
Oh!
Oh, okay. It's starting. There's a little plastic there.
Dude, Gordon Ramsay is tough.
Okay.
There's all the beef on them.
Ooh.
3.
Hey,
That's.
I bopped him.
Oh, he's starting to do what Cameron already did.
You're below me, mortal.
Okay.
There's 1. Ooh, what should I go for?
Can always put it back
I'm gonna
together.
try to smash the shell.
Okay.
Dang!
Okay. Want to go for the cap? Maybe sit on its side to smash.
Ooh,
Oh,
yeah.
You're not supposed to help him.
my bad. It's okay.
What
He
was-
didn't do it. He didn't even do anything. Hey guys, so now it's my turn with the devious
smash your balls.
Diesel.
On what? On that train. You think it's
Nice.
gonna smash
Oh, I got the entire route.
That's a train
That's
wreck.
exactly what I did with
It's like
Percy.
your train wreck,
All right.
But not.
Oh!
Wow, I got a clean cut in the
Dude,
side.
Gordon Ramsay is so much more durable than this thing.
Yeah, this thing's the last one didn't do much, but there is Diesel. Oh,
Lord have mercy.
what is that?
Oh my gosh, bro.
You got the entire bottom part there. All right.
Oh!
Oh, split them open.
No! That was my thing!
Was. That thing went flying, and that.
Clearly, I was not hitting hard enough.
And I lost. All thanks to me. Baseball time. All right, for this one, your teammate is going to be pitching it to you, and you hit it as hard and far as you can. Good luck.
That was my bad.
Oh! Andy's got the farthest distance.
fell apart the midway.
I know, alright?
Nice throw there, bud. Breaking stuff.
Breaking stuff. All right.
Watch out.
Pick one. And
That's it something.
It's the train.
yeah,
You guys, come on.
that's my money, you know.
That'd be more fun, right?
Okay, anyways, so let's get I guess I'll move this here. Alright guys. And after all the distance, we definitely did a lot more damage. But Cameron wins. Had it over there. Glad I didn't get it on camera.
Second place too.
Yeah, good job. Next up, we are going to be smashing them with a rake. And as we know, I was the one that was able to be successful on this the last time. So we'll see if I can do this again. We each get 3 swings.
Whoa, we want to back up.
No!
Hey!
Alright, cannon.
Does that count?
Yes.
That is a swing.
Oh.
You missed.
I was gonna break the race before.
Yeah, you gotta rake. Oh!
Oh.
What do you mean like a what by what?
And that's a miss.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, nothing.
I think Gordon's the new brick.
I don't think so. Oh! He got it. Alright, pull it out. You still gotta swing.
The penetrator now.
Oh, he's finally split it open. Took him long enough.
Alright.
Okay, I don't think that. No, I don't think he got anything with that one. Grant, I would step away.
No, don't go for that one. There's a spark.
Oh, my bad.
Yes!
Yeah,
Alright.
no.
It was between Gordon and Kenji came through, splitting the motor completely out.
Alright, I know you've never played this game before, but it's called bocce ball. It's Italian or some shit. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and play, and the trains are just gonna be in the way, and I'll be funny.
So bocce ball is based on whoever's the closest to the ball wins. So that's whoever gets the point here. If you hit the ball, you get a point too. So, you guys can go.
Oh. I'll show you how it's done. Shoot.
Okay, Grant.
That's a nice sound.
Okay, Cameron.
Alright, that's what I got.
There it goes.
Oh, let's go.
Not even close.
Wait for him.
Oh, Lord.
Oh! The white ball! Grant! Grant, the white ball! That's where we have to go. Grant,
Oh no! It's gonna go for your tire!
thank you, Cameron. Oh! Yes,
Okay.
we got it. Final tiebreaker, I guess. We are going to be doing rock, paper, scissors.
Shoot.
Cannon will be representing my team. Grant will be representing his own team.
I'm gonna go paper.
5, 4, 3, 2. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tie.
Oh, tie.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And the winner of the competition is Cannon!
you guys know, there's no team in win. So they're gonna fight to the death. Go.
Okay.
Look at Justin, struggling to even begin. By golly, what an amazing strategy.
Here's the
watch
paper,
as he
okay.
struggles to get
Where the heck
to
is the
start
match?
fire.
Cannon, what show is
I'll
this?
tell you
I
what,
don't know.
Don't leave this kid alone
I
in the
just
woods. He'll
partake
probably
in
freeze
it.
to death without...
Hey,
You know,
you need to light it on fire next time.
Nah, I don't think I will.
It smells like 4th of
Just
July
a
and-
pro tip, since I win all the time.
July and vapes. Don't vape, kids.
Come on.
Babe,
You'll end up like me.
Vaping is
You'll
bad,
slowly
guys.
into vaping.
cigarettes are much better.
Do you want to
I agree. If you're gonna smoke, smoke all the way. Okay, I need more matches, more matches. Cameron, make sure you
Fire.
get more shots of the engine. You don't really need to look at me.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that engine. Notice how it's not on.
I
Look
meant
at
to
those
get close,
flames.
like-
I'm not a flamer, but your
broke it.
parents might.
No,
Never mind.
no.
That's a bad
I was
joke.
over here building the campfire. Meanwhile, cannon's already started.
Come on, wait, please. Come on. Go.
The cannon might be destroying you over here.
No, wait. Oh,
Look at
wait.
Cannon.
I got it. Is that?
I'm pretty sure.
I think
Pretty
that's
sure.
I'm pretty sure
Mine's off.
cannons went off first. I'm gonna be
what
honest.
Grant did it. So we reviewed the footage, and mine lit on fire first. So I won, though Cannon's fire was a whole lot cooler than mine.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for 2 tons of subscribers.
Link to our Discord server down below.
And if you guys like this video, and want to see more like it then,
Like, comment, and subscribe.